You ever get excited about something and then realize, it's not going to be as good as it was the last time? That's sort of me today. I don't know why the fuck people vlog like this. God. All right, so this is everything I'm bringing to SpinUp this year. It's sort of disappointing because there's not going to actually be anybody there like previous years. So this is the bag I'm talking about. This is the Race Day Quads bag. And I bought this because you can put quads on the outside and it's not too big, but the material is actually really, really shitty. And if you see right here, it's already splitting, and I don't have a tremendous amount of stuff in here. I've got a laptop in here. I've got like, let's see if I can open this without breaking it. I'm almost afraid I'm gonna break it. This is what I'm bringing in here. So I got my RC goggles, Mavic Air 2, figure bring a normal drone, and batteries and stuff. And then what I ended up doing was putting my quads inside my suitcase just so they don't stick out. So yeah, anyways, I ended up buying the Torval bag based upon Joshua Bardwell's recommendations. I think that will be a better bag. I'll take that with me to Denver. All right, let's go to the airport. Sort of slightly nervous about flying. It's like the first time since COVID started that I'm gonna be flying. Shout out to Brad Hendo for the hookup. I rented a Mustang. I've never actually driven one of these. I've been in one. Sean always rents them, but I've never actually. This thing's nice. Maybe I was all wrong about Mustangs. All right, so here's the game plan. I'm gonna wait for Sean to get here. He's staying at the same hotel that I am. Then we're gonna go do In-N-Out Burger, and then we're supposed to do like a mock dry run of SpinUp, because everything's online. And obviously if you guys watch my live stream, you know that it can be a complete shit show or a great success. Most of the time it's a complete shit show, so anything can happen. So the more prepared we are, the better off we'll be. I did bring 2 quads with me and the Mavic Air 2, so I do plan on flying a bit. I think what I'll do is I'll charge some batteries up and then find somewhere cool to fly, because all of this is new to me. Even if it's boring to somebody that lives here, it's really cool to me. All right, first thing we need to do is charge some batteries. Yeah, I can't have none of that. He said, do this. You just had to get one better than me, didn't you? Son of a bitch.
Just by a little bit.
Son of a bitch. All right. It feels like we haven't I feel like we.
It was just last week.
We were just hanging out last week. Well, we are. I'm gonna see you in a week and a half too. So, all right, we got to go to Kelly's to do this whole rundown and eat. We're both starving. I haven't eaten anything at all. We want to do In-N-Out, but I don't think we're gonna have enough time.
We can do it after.
But there is some awesome buildings over there. I am definitely going to be diving some buildings.
And a Top Golf.
I got the address.
You gotta go inside the Top Golf once they close.
Well, when they close, we'll go in Top Golf. I won't hit a net.
I think they leave the lights on.
Yeah, but if I hit a net, that would suck.
Yeah, well, don't hit the net.
I started editing the vlog. I'm super tired. I think I flew 3 packs today with Ken and Sean. I've got 4 packs charging 3 more for tomorrow. So tomorrow spin up. Really super tired. It's actually pretty late. It's like, I don't know, 1 in the morning, I think now, which is actually 2 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. So I think I'll call it a night. Try this shit tomorrow. Also, I am doing this entire vlog on the Hero 8, the GoPro Hero 8. I guess I probably should have told you that. That's probably why the audio quality is a little off and the video quality looks different. I had barely any room to pack like a normal camera, so I'll have to figure out that situation. Paul, figure out how I'm gonna pack a camera, dude. That's what you're paid to do, Paul. Come on, producer Paul. All right, I'm gonna go to bed.